Now, 6 months into the pandemic, and county health departments continue to try to work through a lot of the impacts of the virus. And today, the Allegheny County Board of Health gathered to have an update on the most recent developments. Good afternoon. I'm Stacy Smith.
And I'm Kim Gable. They also asked questions of Dr. Deborah Bogan of the County Health Department. Right now, Nicole Ford takes a look at the top issues impacting us.
The County Board of Health had a record-breaking amount of people reaching out, asking questions about COVID-19. The concern now shifting from restaurants to children and sports. Dr. Deborah Bogan has a strong message for the residents.
So we did hear you loud and clear, but again, not something that is really something I can address here at the County Health Department.
Allegheny County Health Director Dr. Deborah Bogan repeatedly saying the spectator restrictions for sports is not a county ruling. Wednesday morning, she addressed the Board of Health and community.
Comments we get from public is that this is really just not so bad. It's just not like the flu, right? And we shouldn't be so upset about it.
Bogan says she gathered the data for the flu and coronavirus for the country, state, and county to counter the argument.
It is a much more serious infection for people, and we have way higher death rates.
With schools reopening, Bogan says children and young adults may not get as sick, but the issue is how fast they will be able to spread the virus.
We had a teenager who developed symptoms, and within 2 weeks, this is sort of the diagram of that spreading to family members, to the coworkers of family members, to other people in that teen's community.
40 people in 2 weeks. Bogan says that outbreak happened right here in Allegheny County, and that type of situation is the concern moving forward.
Unfortunately, they spread it to vulnerable populations because of where they work, where they go to school or stores, etc. So if people wore masks and really were attentive, we really should be able to try to reduce this kind of an outbreak as much as possible.
Dr. Bogan says they continue to see the case numbers trend down, but she does anticipate more testing with universities back in session. Plus, the coronavirus task force continues to check businesses and restaurants. To date, they've checked 2,070 establishments. Nicole Ford, KDKA News.